Former President Kufuor, he introduced the free antenatal care to the country. He said every woman should go to the hospital and deliver without cost. So I learned he put so much millions of Ghana cedis, about 4 million over, to all the Ministry of Health to make sure that they are everything ready for women to go and deliver free of charge. But what happened? After Kufuor left government and power, after 8 years, the system he put in place collapsed. So they started to let women pay. So women cannot pay, so they start to die with their children. What is this? Some country, they want women to even give birth, and they'll pay them money if they don't get. Huh? Now in China, if you can give birth to 2 children, government will give you money. Meanwhile, they are the same people who said you should give birth to 1 before. You can't go contrary to God's law and be free. Now it's affecting them. Now they want more children. You see? Because children are the future of the country. Yes. When people are old, can they work? And now 10 pregnant women that you would pick in Ghana, 8 die when delivering. Out of 10, 8 die. That's 80%. But what is this? They die prematurely with premature babies, incubators, all those things are not there. How can a country go and take loan for members of parliament, millions of dollars, to buy cars every 4 years, and then we cannot take loan to go and buy incubators for our babies? Is that not a big shame? In fact, it's a big shame to the members of parliament, because they are lawmakers. They should know better. Are we interested in the car than the babies that are coming to the world? Which of us will joke with our baby? When we don't even have money, when our wife delivers, we want to go and borrow money because of the newborn baby. Every family is happy to receive a newborn baby because there's a new member that has come. Everybody is ready to sacrifice. So why can't our parliamentarians and the officials sacrifice? Riding about with 4x4s, which is over $100,000. That $100,000 can buy an incubator. And I was very, very happy that a professional was called in by Captain Smart. And he said that the 100,000 and over money for a incubator, there is incubator you can buy $50,000 to $60,000. It will do the same thing. But those companies that have got big name, they just make it expensive for nothing. So government should contact professionals like that. And this man is an expert in hospital equipment. And he said that, Captain Smart, as I'm talking to you, I'm prepared to, they'll give me a query for coming to reveal some secrets. Because he came and said that the issue about there's no bed, it's not true. That at least the situation is not bad as we are saying it in the news. Because he's telling, because he's there, that they'll query him for coming to bring this matter out. That the government has read to the Minister of Health, but it is mismanagement. That, for instance, the hospitals were put on communication system that will let one hospital, if you need incubator for a baby, you communicate with another hospital and they'll say, we have vacant incubator. Then they'll change or they'll bring the baby there. But that communication line is destroyed. So how can we solve the problem? That sometimes they are looking for an incubator for a baby here, then incubator is sitting somewhere empty. Nobody's using it. So is it about government? It's about mismanagement. That look, if I take you, Captain Smart, to the place, you see beds that are there, vacant. But communication is what is the problem. That they can move some beds from some places that is not needed to places that is needed. And this is coming back to the mismanagement and corruption that we talk about. When they say corruption doesn't mean you steal money. When material is there and then you don't let it to be used and it's in need and somebody died, that is corruption. That's mismanagement. Mismanagement brings about corruption. And all this was discussed on Adum FM. Captain Smart, my great host lover, I really love him because he talks so much about matters that are very important. And they talk about babies when they are premature, they can put them on their mother's tummy to eat them up. the professional came and said it is not a bad idea, it's a very brilliant idea. It's not all babies that need incubators. Some they don't need incubators, they just need small heat. So lie on their mother's stomach and covered is okay. So if you don't know, you think it's a bad practice, but it's very, very good. And that man, the expert is Council Luttrop or something? Yes, hospital equipment. So I told my children they should remind me when my fans come, I'll look for him so that we can go and buy good equipment that are cheap. Yes. There are good equipment that are cheap. If you don't know, you will not know. For instance, put a Japanese car, very good. Put an American car, very good. But an American car is expensive than a Japanese car. Yes. Even Korea car today is very good. But you might go and buy Japan, which is expensive than a Korean car. But Korean cars are very good. You see? So that is how it is.
Thank you for viewing this video. If you wish to contact us, please do so on the following numbers: 055 459 8076 or 050 302 66871. Stay blessed.